Sometimes you can offer help without expecting anything in return. Life is not all about money. Mamisika. Uwo edan. Obi wachire no. Obetimi di amana dem free. Obi kura akan koma. Se memfa dan yi man. Fuma no wonam. Ahinka adwuma efo ba hai. Anka obi beka so aka me koma se ya kan say ya beka say hey, but onye nshira ma nipa bi. Ma yan kenkan Bible na fe yenya na ye nsori nso nko yen anim. Leviticus chapter 25. We are reading the 35 rather. And if thy brother be worse and poor, and falling in decay with thee, then thou shalt receive him, yea, though he be a stranger or a sojourner, that he may live with thee. Emu odin ohun. Mame famra yen ade ni mu. Ose na se ehia wunia. Na se opa ba. And if thy brother be worse and poor, ehia no na se opa ba, and falling in decay with thee, sonimu na ontena won chen. Ose sonimu no wanya de an na ontena won chen. Anopai, if you can help someone, and a wo yankokwasa, awurade nka wo koma, so that you can help that person willingly without anyone forcing you. Bible say wo enemy aye frey ho a Christopher no say ehia ye nwia. You know what, when we are talking about say bibia ehia wa, when we talking about you wasting in poor, it is not about money. Because Ghana Hano, when you come and you talk about wasn't poor, the only thing that comes to mind, and when I say, yes, no, you know what? Sometimes you might have all the things that